iPhone SE 2 must go out. Many in 2018 were hoping for a new generation of iPhone SE and are now disappointed. This is the only iPhone that occupied two niches in the market, especially in Russia. There is nothing to replace it. iPhone projections are falling. Apple decided to hide sales statistics, return the iPhone X to the shelves and reduce the production of the iPhone XR. Outside the United States and Europe, where smartphones are most often sold as part of carrier contracts with monthly payments, the Apple company is not doing very well. And why? For them, it was necessary to release iPhone SE 2. Why the iPhone SE was important, and Apple abandoned him in vain. There are many reasons for the drop in sales of iPhones, and one of the key reasons is Apple's reluctance to take a step towards customers in developing countries, including Russia. They do not provide such sales in monetary terms, such as, for example, China or the United States, but could give volume. The bet on India, which Tim Cook developed in this way, frankly failed. Very few people will buy an iPhone for $800, when the average cost of smartphones in stores does not exceed $150. In Brazil, economic problems and the top, traditionally gigantic prices for gadgets due to protective duties, plus 33% to the price. In Russia, since 2013, the iPhone has risen in price twice as a ruble equivalent, when wages have increased by only 25 to 30%. The iPhones themselves also became more expensive. Such is the perfect storm, after which the iPhone 2018, and the secondary market of iPhones is steadily gaining momentum. Buying a used iPhone 7 with hands will cost half the price of the new iPhone 8. For Apple, this option is negative. It is almost not converted into income for the company, with the exception of cloud services. For many quarters in a row, it was the iPhone SE, and before it the iPhone 5s, that was the best-selling iPhone in Russia. The fact itself sends an unequivocal signal to Apple: we want a budget. The end of 2018, the budget smartphone from Apple is not visible. As the owner of the iPhone X, I didn't see the point of buying either an iPhone XR or an iPhone XS. And as an active iPhone SE user, I don't have a choice at all. Because the iPhone SE has nothing to replace.